So my people, these are the businesses you can do in 2026 that will give you money as a Nigerian and particularly as an Igbo man. Number one, all right, viewers, it is no longer news that to survive as a man or whoever you are in a country like Nigeria or any other country, you don't need one single source of income. It is no longer news that body go tell you by the time you grow up, by the time you come of age, by the time you start making expenses for yourself. The only body go tell you, then you start thinking on how to meet up with your daily needs and demand for yourself and for your family. That is the truth about the matter. So, but I myself, I know that I have this urge for, knowing the history of what really happened. It's natural with me, and also I have this likeness of a good environment, well constructed road, good places like that. I have that flair for it. So that one combined with hustling, brought me into what I am doing today. And I must tell you that I am getting something from what I'm doing. That is the truth about the matter. But that does not mean that you should do the same thing I'm doing. No. Everybody has his own interests. Let me put it like that. You have your own interests, where your deep interest is, and that is what will sustain you anytime you have challenges or you are trying to lose interest. It is your deep interest, your enthusiasm in that particular aspect that will sustain you in that thing you are doing. So what we are going to focus on today is the businesses that you can do as a Nigerian or as anybody anywhere you are. But majorly, if you are an Igbo man, you have an advantage of these businesses I am going to mention. Yes. So that some people have money now, but they don't know what to do with their money. Some people have that capital. They are thinking of the kind of business they want to invest their capital in. So this video is for you. At least by the time I'm done with the 10 businesses, that's 10 major businesses, there are other sub-businesses inside it that you can do for yourself. At least you must get 2-3 of the businesses you want to do for yourself that will help you in living. So my people, these are the businesses you can do in 2026 that will give you money as a Nigerian and particularly as an Igbo man. Number one is importation business. It can be mini importation or large scale importation if you have the capital. And the most profitable Igbo business in 2026 includes phones and accessories, smartwatches, power bank, fashion item, hair and wigs, car scanner, solar gadgets. These things that I have just mentioned are the key things that if you can import, I bet you that we just finish the sales within a short period of time. Those ones are sure plug for you. The reasons being that the Igbo people dominate the market and understand selling. Yes. We are into selling and we understand this trade, more than any other tribe, So that is the thing about importation businesses. There are other importations you can do, but these are the ones that I'm very sure, the short plugs that I'm giving out this morning. Then the second one is car dealership. It can be local and Tokumbo cars. Most times I discover that people deal on Nigerian use. That's local. Nigerian use more. Nigerian use, once you buy, you sell immediately. But direct Belgium now, takes some time. Not everybody has the money to buy direct Belgium. So Nigerian use now is even moving faster than Belgium. So even with high exchange rates, Nigerian keep buying cars. You can start by linking buyers and sellers. You would advertise these cars in your WhatsApp Somebody can see it and say, oh, I like this car, how much? Then you link the buyer and the seller. You don't need any capital to do such business. Then also doing car auction sales. That one also follow. Importing from Cotonou or US, you know, and other countries. Our people do it a lot. They import cars from US, Cotonou, and other places and sell. And you know, car businesses, well, the profit range should be something between 300K to 1.5 million. If you are selling a car, if you are doing car business, that is the profit range. Then having said about this car business, what about real estates, land banking, and property flipping? This is what people are doing to make money. In fact, I'm a beneficiary sometime this year. You know, you link people up, they pay you your own. These are the businesses you can do without capital. So let's go into it properly. And you know that our Igbo people excel in land deals. Start by being an agent or a marketer. No capital is needed. Then move to buying and selling plots. From agents, you move to buying. If you buy and you sell, you make your money. Land business is business that doesn't lose value. It must add. You can even buy land today and sell next week with huge amount of profit. Depends on who is buying and how the person wants the place, you know, for himself. The profit range is unimaginable. Can range from 200K to 1 million or more. That is how it is done. Then another important business, number 4, is solar installation and solar products businesses. You see the solar business, in fact, power there, business I had drama. You see, that is what people are doing now. Solar installation, solar product selling, this is what people are doing now because a lot of people are investing in it. Initially, I thought that this solar is just for maybe people like African people. I never knew that the Igbo people use solar. I never knew. Some places you see mansions, you see their solar panel very large abroad. So I was like, I never knew. So solar business is beginning to boom now in Nigeria. And sometimes I learn that NEPA want to, or they want to threaten the importation of solar items. But you know, it couldn't work out because NEPA, you cannot trust them. Or power holding. That is it. Then Nigeria is moving strongly to solar in 2026. Sell and install panels, inverters, batteries, solar street lights, and the rest. You make huge amount of profit. Then what about logistics and delivery businesses? Nigerian shop online daily. Then you can start with bike delivery, in city courier, and the interstate delivery, warehouse door-to-door services. People do it now. Yeah, they courier some things from one point, even within the city, from one point to the other, they deliver your items. That business is giving them a lot of money. Then electronics, number 6, electronics and household appliances store. People must buy. There is no way people will not buy electronics and household appliances. In fact, from time to time, people upgrade their appliances, you know, once the capital is there, once the money is there. So high demand products includes TVs, freezers, standing fans, especially this solar standing fan. You know, it's moving market now. Then rechargeable fans, that's what I've just said. Pressing irons, gas cookers. Can start with these businesses as an Igbo person. Then building material businesses. Construction is exploding in 2026. Sell cement, iron rods, tiles, POP materials, paint. In fact, these POP materials, the business is booming now. Somebody once told me that business is good. If I have the capital, I can start it. But I am not that type that, you know, such business I cannot, you know, for now, engage in it. So, but I prefer something I can lay my hands on personally and handle. These days, everybody eyes is open like this. Once you do, I beg ya. Then foodstuff and agro-export businesses. Foodstuff business is another business that people must buy. There is no market, no there, no. People must buy. The Nigerian export market is booming. Products to export include ginger, garlic, palm kernel oil, charcoal. This charcoal is a good business. Cashew, bitter cola. This bitter cola, that one na gold itself. Bitter cola, cashew. Those ones are heavy businesses that you can do. You can export it and make your money. Then number 9, we talk about phones and laptop repairs plus gadget shop. Phone repair is, people rushed into that business that time, and they are still there doing the business because a lot of people are buying phones. People are buying more than one phones now, so they must repair. If you go there, these people are making money. You are not buying anything. Phone repair, as in, if you are buying anything, the person that is repairing the phone will buy. Your own is just that workmanship. You find out that you are going home with a huge amount every day, and they are always busy in their shop. All those phone repairers, always busy. Think that they are not making money. They are making a huge amount of money, and you can combine it with gadgets. You can buy gadgets and combine it with phone repairs. That's how people do it. Then we are not leaving out hospitality business. We are not leaving it out. And that's restaurants, lounges, bars. The restaurants, majorly, people must eat. You don't have option, you must eat. But we should be talking about the class of people you are expecting, because the way you arrange and the type of food you eat determines the class of people you are expecting. You see, so it's a very nice business. Then Igbo towns, cities, and estates need quality food and relaxation spots. Even small food vendors, they are making their money. Then you can venture into grill spot, shawarma stand, palm wine joint, local delicacies, restaurants. They make serious money from it. If I give you examples, there are plenty of them. They are making their money and they are expanding their business. Well, then there is skills. There is skills that you are expected if you want to progress. If you want to be successful, there are skills that you are expected to have. If you can be able to combine, the best strategy is to combine one skill and one business, and boom, you are there. You see, just let me give you an example. If you want a quick success, combine one skill plus one business. Example, video editing helps you make money now. Then importation helps you grow wealth. You see, one skill, video editing is one skill, and the importation is another, is one business. So there are two things you are doing, one business and one skill. Then solar installation, it gives you immediate cash flow. Why solar dealership, long-term business wealth. You see the difference? Then having said this, no worries. Let me give you skills that you need as an Igbo man or as a Nigerian that will help you to prosper fast in 2026. All right, so these are the practical skills. That's practical skills an Igbo man can do, that will fit him perfectly well because of his entrepreneurial spirit and can bring fast and real income to him. One is tech and digital skill, highest earning in 2026. Tech and digital skills. Software development, front end, back end, mobile app. Though there are AIs now that can develop software. So, but somebody has to give that AI command. If you don't know the command you give AI, AI will not give you exactly what you want. So that is it. You still need this this, if you have these skills, you are going